it's Vicky here from Crafty Heaven, and thank you very much for joining me today. Today we're going to be making this masculine birthday card, and I guess it doesn't have to be masculine. If you've got a female in your life that likes fishing, then you could adapt it to make a female version. So I thought this turned out really cool. So this is actually for a friend of ours. So the dies I got are from Temu, and I'll put pictures on here what they actually look like. So you've got the frame to make like the fishing kit box, I guess, and then you got another die that it puts all the pieces inside the fishing box. It is actually really quick and easy to make once you've done the paper piercing for the die cuts. That's the only longest bit that of this card is, you know, die cutting all the pieces out and then gluing them together. But when that's done, you can see that you get a really cool card, and I think it is worth it. So this is a 6x4 card, and I hope that you enjoy the tutorial, and let's get started. So I've got my card base and I've cut it to 6x4 inches, and then I've die cut the two separate pieces. So I've done the inner frame in a brown colour and the background in a lighter brown and stuck them together, and then we're just simply going to glue this on top, and then I'm going to trim off the excess. So I'm going to do that and come back. So now we're going to just add our fishing accessories. So as you can see, I've die cut all the pieces. So I'm now going to fast forward this bit, place everything where I want it, and I will also add my sentiment, and then I'll come back and show you the finished card. And there we go. How cool is that? And then obviously you've got your and there we go. How cool is that? And then you've got your room to write your message inside, and perfect for any males in your family or boys that love fishing, and this would be ideal for them. So as I said, it's a 6x4 card, and I think it's turned out great. As always, I'll link the products down below, which are these two die sets here. I would have had a picture of the actual dies on Temu, so you can see what they would have looked like. But yeah, so these will be linked down below, and I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. A quick one from me today. If you enjoyed it, then please give me a big thumbs up. Please continue to support my channel by hitting that subscribe button. Until next time guys, take care. Bye.